So if you could just say who you are, where you're from, and what you do.
My name is Siddhartha Krishnan. You can call me Sid. I'm from South India. I work with the Ashoka Trust for Research in Ecology and Environment in the city of Bangalore, which is the capital of Karnataka, South India. And I'm trained as a sociologist, but of late I do both fieldwork and archival work, and conceptually my interests are environmental sociology and environmental history.
Okay, great. And is there a particular panel or a particular paper that you're interested in at the ESEH this year?
Absolutely, and there are more direct connections between what I'm doing and where I'm doing, and talks and panels in the ESEH. So, for instance, there is this paper, session, which has looks at conservation models across in a comparative context, and we had a very interesting colonial history of conservation in South India, especially in the hill stations. And there is this other panel on coffee, tea, and slavery. And the hills where I work in South India, the Nilgiris, it has a history of tea cultivation, conversion of pastures into tea cultivation. And there is another very interesting session called placing values and valuing places. And in sociology, for instance, in environmental sociology, there is a lot of stress of late on the concept of place, right, of belonging. I work with a pastoral community called the Toda, and they are very nostalgic about place and its past. And so I'm thinking I'm going to be able to draw a lot from these sessions which I spoke about.